Question 6. We've been given a circle, but we've been given a constant in that equation of k. And we've been asked to find the coordinates of the centre of the circle. To do that, we've got to group the x and the y terms together and complete the square on both of them, really shoving k out of the way and putting it on the other side of the equation. So my rearrangement will be x squared minus 6x plus y squared plus 10y is equal to negative k. Completing the square on the x terms, I get x minus 3. And I think you can see that the what I call waste term will be positive 9, so we have to take that 9 away immediately. Now these two terms, plus y plus 5, half the value of the coefficient here of 10, that will be squared. Our waste product is 25, so I'm going to have to take away 25 immediately from that. And this is equal to negative k. Grouping all the constants together and putting them onto the right-hand side, that leaves me with x minus 3 squared plus y plus 5 all squared is equal to negative k. These two will add together and turn positive, and this will be plus 34. So therefore I can say the centre of the circle is at the coordinate of 3, negative 5. And that is your first answer. So in part B, we're given the fact that the circle does not touch the x-axis. Find the possible values of k. So here's the situation. We've got the circle now centred on 3, negative 5, and it cannot touch the x-axis, which is this guy here. Now the x-axis is 5 units away, so that's effectively the maximum radius. And as it can't touch the axis, it must be less than 5. And what is the radius of this particular circle? Well, that's expressed by the right-hand side of this equation, and this is equal to r squared. So I can say, therefore, that the square root of the right-hand side must be less than 5. Again, because it can't touch the axis, it can come very close, but it can't touch, so it must be less than 5. So to solve this, we square both sides. So we get negative k plus 34 is less than 25. So therefore negative k is less than negative 9. We multiply through by negative 1. Remember, we've got to change the direction of the inequality sign. So therefore I can say that k is greater than 9. But there's another restriction. If k, let's say, was equal to 34, we have a radius of 0, which means we don't have a circle. And if k is greater than 34, we will have, algebraically, a negative radius, which again will make no sense. So k must be less than 34. So I've got to add and less than 34. And that will be your answer.